Hello everyone. If you have a problem with OBS program, this black screen appears when you choose a display capture especially. Now it's a black screen and the other things, other source is working properly. We will close the OBS. In AMD Raedon additional settings, choose add application and search for OBS application where you saved or installed it, in C program files or whatever. Add the application and from the drop down menu choose power saving. Click apply and close this window. Open the OBS program again. Let's check the display capture. Wow, it's working properly now. And very important note, you must run OBS this version the same as your Windows version. Thank you.